Good morning guys. Today is a weekday, but today is no homeschooling day because Aiden's school has actually done a no screen day, which is quite cool actually. So basically nobody uses a screen like iPads for the work or computers. So there's no homework today and there's no homeschooling. So today is actually a few days before Chinese New Year. What are you eating? Sweeties. He's gonna be high later. So I'm just sat on my bed. Oh, it's such a nice it's snowing outside again, but it's kind of like calmed down a little bit. But yeah, as I was mentioning, it's Chinese New Year in a few days, so today I'm going to go to the Chinese supermarket to stock up on groceries and stuff that I need to make. I'm going to make Chinese New Year cake, and I'm also going to make turnip cake for the first time ever. I already have the flour. I just need to get a turnip and some tapioca flour, tapioca starch, or whatever it's called. So I'm going to go see if I can find that and get some turnips as well, and then also just stock up on some Chinese food because I don't have anything. It's been snowing for the past 3 days non-stop, so outside is all white. Luckily all the roads are, I haven't left the house, like, well, I have been for like walks, but I haven't like driven anywhere. So I'm lucky that the roads have been cleared by the council, so it's all nice and clear and drivable. So I thought I'd go today since Aiden's got no homeschooling day. Coffee, you're going crazy again. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and then when I get back, after I finish making the stuff, I need to do a deep clean because you're meant to deep clean before Chinese New Year and not on Chinese New Year. So I'm gonna do a deep clean, and that is meant to bring in the new look, start from fresh. It's a fresh new start. I know that New Year's Eve is more like the fresh start of the whole year, but in Chinese culture, Chinese New Year is the start of a fresh start. So on Friday the 12th of February, that's Chinese New Year, so that is when our year of look and kind of like fresh start begins. So yeah, we don't really go by the calendar New Year's Eve, we go by Chinese New Year. So it's quite a lot of preparation, but I'm not that like my mum would do a lot of things, but I'm not that clued up on everything, so I'm just doing the basics. I washed my hair today. It's so nice when I have fresh clean hair, it just feels so good. Obviously I don't wash my hair as much as I used to because we're just at home, and when it gets dirty I just tie it up into a bun. So I've been washing my hair like every 3 days maybe, and then on the day when I do wash it, oh, it just feels so good. Just at the Chinese supermarket, it's actually really well stocked today. There's a lot of stuff, and then the bakery just arrived, so we've got fresh sausage buns. Let's go get everything we need. We had to queue to get in. So busy. I'm just in the back bit where they sell all the kind of like china. I am looking for a sieve. I always want, yes darling? The hat's making you itchy. Take it off then. We can put it back on when we go outside, okay? Look at his hair. I've always wanted one of these, but I don't have a fire stove for it. Oh my god, look how cute this one is. That would be perfect for Aiden's little rices. I've always wanted one, but my hob is electric. So yeah, I'm just looking for a sieve, because if I can get one here, I'm not gonna go anywhere else. Oh, here we are. A sieve strainer. Are you kidding me? These are about £1 in Wilkinson's. I'm not paying £6 for a strainer. That is a joke. Okay, let's go. Mum is not paying £6 for a strainer. Literally, they're like £1 in Wilkinson's. Okay, let's go. So we've just gotten home. It's really cold outside.
Hello.
Good job we went out for that long. We had to queue to get into the Chinese supermarket, which is rare. I've never ever queued to get in before. What did you get?
I got Kinder and...
You got some treats, didn't you?
And
do you want to show them?
Yeah. These.
What did you get?
I got Kinder and Magic Stars.
Oh, look at you. You only eat one at a time, okay? Yeah, so I have the shopping to put away. But of course, you guys know the drill. When I go grocery shopping, it means haul time. I went to Wilkinson's and I found a strainer.
Can I watch Christmas Chronicles?
Yeah, we can watch Christmas Chronicles. I got what I went for, which is a turnip. This is Mahusif, a Mahusif one. And
we got so many things, Mama.
We did. I got these from Wilco's whilst I was there. I found these Cheetos, which is quite rare, right?
God.
What's wrong?
I want to go on my socks when you like a sock and fell to my sock underneath.
Oh, that's not rubbish, Aiden.
What?
That's from your shoes. That's the sticker from your shoes. I feel like every time I go to the Chinese supermarket, I always spend a lot of money, even though I didn't really get that much. Well, I kind of did, but I didn't get any meat or prawns or anything. And it still comes up to a lot of money. I didn't even check the receipt. Let me have a look. I did get rice though, which is like £5, and then I got glutinous.
Oh, look up my phone.
Oh, careful, because you haven't got a case on it, darling. I did get him his glutinous rice wraps thing, which was $6.50. Fresh mooney. A turnip was £4. Which isn't bad because they're massive. Yeah, everything looks good.
When do you think packing will become quite picky?
Oh yeah, we can. That's quite scary though, Aiden. So this is what I bought. 2 packs of udon, medium firmness tofu rice. This side. Oh wow, that looks yummy. Mini glutinous rice things that Aiden loves, and then instead of getting a pack of the same, I always get like different drinks. So I got that. Yes, darling? It's okay, you can use whichever one you want. Aiden likes these chocolate soya drinks, and then I got lemon tea and chrysanthemum tea, enoki mushrooms, seaweed tofu things for noodles, Yakult of course, always stock up on Yakult. Got some Chinese New Year kind of like sweeties so we can have it for lunch on Chinese New Year, and then noodles just for backup, my 2 turnips, sausage buns. So we're just putting out the fresh buns, so I know this is nice and fresh. Noodles, chicken and vegetable gyros. These ones are the best if you're into pan frying and having them crispy. And then I got these. Never seen these before, but they look yummy. They're like thick noodles. I think it looks a bit like potato hot pot vermicelli, but I think I'm going to make it as like a noodle. It looks like hor-fun, which is hor-fun. And then I got some dried seafood, dried seaweed, so I can make seaweed soup one day. And I've just got some more Chinese spinach because I really liked it last time. And that's it. This is all I got, but somehow this came up to like 50 quid. So today I'm going to make my Chinese New Year cake, which is basically just brown sugar, glutinous rice flour, water, a bit of oil for the actual mixture, and also for greasing the containers. And there's actually something else that some people do, like coconut milk, and there's another recipe where people put other things in, but I'm just going to do the basic one today because I just like the basic one basically. I really wanted my sugar water mixture to cool down quicker, so in the snow it goes.
Come on, girl. Come in the house.
For dinner, I have cooked a Korean stew. I actually forgot to buy kimchi today. Yes, darling? Sausage bubble?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you min.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yay, that's it.
Got turnips in there, Chinese spinach, enoki mushrooms, tofu, and the seaweed kind of fish bowl slices thing. Good morning, guys. As you can see, my kitchen is a complete mess. Basically, I'm making more Chinese New Year cake. The sugar water thing is just out in the snow again. This morning I woke up to fresh new layer of snow, so the sugar water is outside resting. So once I've got that on the boil, I'm gonna then start making turnip cake. So I have dried shrimp. These are already rehydrated. Yes, darling? 2 minutes. So I have rehydrated shrimps, dried scallops, which again have been rehydrated and shredded, Chinese mushrooms, and then Chinese sausage. This is the water that you're meant to keep because you put that into the turnip radish afterwards. So this is the water that was used to soak these three together. So this water has a lot of flavour. I have rice flour and tapioca starch, so that's what's going to go in there, but I need to make that after I've done this. But whilst the sugar water is cooling down outside, we're making lunch. So for lunch we've got the lomages that we bought yesterday, which is basically rice wrapped in lotus leaves. Yeah, you can. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So after lunch we're going to do a bit of homeschooling, do a couple of challenges, and then I'm going to get on with making this so that by tonight everything's ready. And also I put the laundry on, so everything's going to be nice and clean. Once this is all done, I'm going to have to do a deep clean of the entire flat, because that's the cultural thing to do, is clean your flat or house before the Chinese New Year. So that's what I'm doing today. It's a very busy day. This is my second batch of Chinese New Year cake. It actually came out a lot darker because I added some dark muscovado sugar, which I actually prefer. I like it when it's a little bit darker. So I substituted, yeah, look, it's a pudding. You have it with egg in, and Mummy will make you some tomorrow for lunch. And then I also made 2 batches of turnip cake. I actually had quite a lot of ingredients, but only made 2 batches. So one's in there, and then one's in there, and I actually had half a daikon left, so I'm gonna try and make another batch with whatever I have left. What are you doing? Good morning, Coffee. What are you doing?
Yep.
What's that for?
You.
No, Eden, you don't give Mummy money. Only adults give children money.
Oh.
Mummy gave you money because I'm your mummy. I'm an adult.
Oh.
Silly. Don't give me money.
I love you.
Oh, thank you. Go on then, go put it in your piggy bank. Are you saving it, or do you want to spend it at the supermarket? What? He wants to save all of his money. I asked him if he wanted to split it up and take a little bit to the supermarket, and he said no, he wants to put it in his piggy bank. Coffee. We just quickly popped to Morrison's so I could buy fish for dinner tonight, and got him this little gift because since it's Chinese New Year, you can get something new. Yeah, it's okay, Mummy will buy it for you.
Yay!
Hey guys, happy Chinese New Year. Well, Lunar New Year, because it's not just Chinese people who celebrate it. Oh god. Happy New Year. As you can tell, I've just done my hair and makeup. I've just gotten ready. I took a few pictures with Aiden. I always take pictures with him on like special occasions so that I can always like have something to look back on. It's now 12 o'clock, so I'm going to start preparing lunch. I'm starving. I had like a biscuit for breakfast and that's it. But I do have quite a lot of food prepared. Not prepared, but I do plan to make a lot of food today. Just because it's Chinese New Year and you know, it's all about eating. It's all about just being happy, and yeah, we're not doing homeschooling today. We're going to give that a break, so it's good for Aiden as well because I'm teaching him all about like Chinese culture stuff. So yeah, Happy New Year. I've just made all the shumai food and I forgot to vlog it. I took pictures for my Instagram and it'll be on my food page, but these are the Vietnamese spring rolls I just made. A lot easier than I thought. Dumplings, and then this is the turnip cake that I made yesterday. So good. We're gonna dig in now.
Of course. Why didn't you say? I'll just run to
So good.
I'm the slippers, aren't I?
Treasure.